Welcome to PrimePay. Learn how to easily make a bulk FT payment as a transaction maker through this tutorial. Log into PrimePay and select the FT payment option from the menu. From the FT payment dashboard, select the FT data upload option. Click here to download FT sample format and download the system prescribed format. Fill in the required information as per the downloaded format and save the file. Then click on the Choose File option, select your saved FT file and upload it. Select the account from which you want to make the payment. Next, select the checker for your transaction. Then select the authorizer for your transaction. Choose the transaction mode as per your need: single debit multiple credit or single debit single credit. Once all the information is confirmed, select Create Batch. Click OK and complete your transaction. This is how you can easily make bulk FT payments through PrimePay.